Hey everyone. So today I want to share something with you all. Recently I have captured some of my own photos and what I have noticed that I got six pack abs on my stomach and so the thing what I have noticed that we don't need any kind of gym trainer or dietitian or fitness kit to make our physique to build our body, right? We can maintain without any these kind of stuffs at our home also, because we all have YouTube, which is a free source of platform, and we all can learn any kind of thing from YouTube and apply in our day-to-day life, right? So we don't need any kind of gym kit, fitness trainer, dietitian, anything, and we can easily build our body, right? And give it a good posture, right? And also one thing I want to add on this that I built this physique just by eating the canteen का खाना. Really यार, कैंटीन का खाना बहुत बेकार तो नहीं होता, लेकिन हाँ बहुत अच्छा भी नहीं होता है. एंड बाई ईटिंग दैट फूड आई बिल्ड दिस फिजिक. रियली यार, मतलब जस्ट मुझे खुद पर हंसी आ रही है, बट इट्स ओके. आई able to build it. It is quite good for me also. And as someone said that doing exercise regularly makes you smarter than 90% of the audiences, and it is actually the fact, right? So मिलते हैं तब तक हम अपने next video में. तब तक keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye, take care. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon also, so that you will get the notification first whenever any kind of video I will upload on